Okay, good day everyone. Today I would like to share about this K1T321EX, which is using time attendance lockers. As you see over here, they have a USB port here. Okay, so over here I want to share is how I activate the device first. So over here the activation password is asking you, so you just desire what, just key in your password you want. Okay, so you click OK, then put your desired password. So over here I prefer use Alliance DMIN 456 lah, but as you want to use your own, you can use. Okay, so that this is the confirm password, so just confirm the password. Okay, so ask you for the language. Okay, so receive email, this you just example lah, so it's up to you because over here I cannot skip everything here, so we just have to go through also. So I put over here, I just put 1 2 3 4 Alliance gmail.com lah, no choice lah, because they have a format to follow. Okay, so they ask for the DCP, you just ignore it. We don't usually click on that. Okay, you here, you take it. Okay, so this is for the face detections. Okay, so employer ID 1. Okay, name. Okay, my name is Fai, so I just register my name into it. Okay, so you put 1 over here, then you can take your photo. Okay, so you just click OK, done already. So I already verify me already. Okay, this is all about the activation. Okay, so now we are going to set up how to do the time attendance. It's quite very easy because it's already done everything inside. So firstly, how we enter the menu, they have an OK button, you click and press the holder reset button. They ask you for the authentication by the face. Okay, once you enter ready, we just go into the locker DNA, click on it, you just enable it. Okay, done, that's all I need. But you make sure you depends your working times lah. Okay, so you click over here under the shift management. So this by default already 9 to 6 already, so you don't need to do anything about the schedule. Okay, schedule, you don't go to the add shift schedule, but instead you go to the shift schedule list. So shift schedule list, they automatically is already set up regarding the company. So just click over here. But if your Saturday and Sunday is working available, you just press 1, and also and go into a Saturday, you just press 1. Okay, so after that you just escape it. That's all. There's nothing you can do already over here. So that means all the person within the company, they have undergo Monday to Sunday 9 AM to 18 PM 18 lah. Okay, so that's all lah. There's nothing to do over here. Okay, so make sure you have already authenticated. Okay, so this is all about the setting. So any new user they come, what going to do, you just add your user and make sure one things, you're going to enter the menu again. Okay, example, they have a new user, right? Okay, so you just go into the add the person, and I put the simply I put the name WAH lah. W. You can register by the department already under company. That's already. So I thinking using the card. So I click the card management, press the card. Okay, done. So this is how we register the card. So just going OK. Okay, that's all. So save a new card. Okay, so okay. So no more ready. So when you escape it ready. Okay. Okay, the card ready occupy. Alright, yes, you see already they have a card ready here. Alright, they have one. So yes. So as long the user ready under the company, they already follow the schedule. Okay. So this is how we set up lah. So how we're going to back up the attendance, make sure you have a pen drive. So the back drive is running FAT32. Make sure that it's running FAT32. Then you plug over here. Okay, click and hold OK button. Okay, after that you go into the attendance report. You click OK, and you can click total report. Okay, so this is asking you enter the start date. So enter the start date, you can put, now it's February, so we go into the February. Okay, end of the date, you can put February 28, then you click OK. So the file already exported into the pen drive. Okay, so this is the PC view. As you see over here, I already unplugged the pen drive, so I plug into my PC. Okay, as you already detect the pen drive ready, you just double click on it. So they will show you what time they are coming out. Like example, they for 5 and 1 over here, and you can see already have a timing first in and the last out for 5, and also the 1 on the this Wednesday 13. Okay, so this is how we see the report lah. Okay, thank you, and please like, subscribe to our channel.